Amazing, panoramic views from this 3-bedroom and 3 full bath and unit condo located at the very sought-after Bahama Sands. This building has just undergone some restorations, including entire exterior of building was painted, including balconies in 2021, restoration of pool area with installed architectural pavers. Every bedroom has its own balcony. Large patio for having your meals or afternoon cocktails. All hurricane windows and sliders replaced. Building has 3 elevators for fast service. This section of the beach is never overcrowded due to lack of public parking. No high-rise next to building to obstruct views. Recent updates include new living room furniture, new dining table and chairs, new patio furniture, new stainless steel refrigerator, new bedding and pillows, new blinds and valances in main living area, new chair rail molding, 4 new smart flat screens.